Hi there, students. I had a question from the Phoenix asking me to make a video about the word Nudiustertian. Okay, Nudiustertian. It's an adjective. It means relating to the day before yesterday, about the day before yesterday. So, if today is Sunday, then yesterday was Saturday, and the day before yesterday, Friday. Okay, so Nudiustertian, relating to Friday. So the Nudiustertian rainstorm seems to have passed away, and now, a couple of days later, it's very sunny. You can also use this word Nudiustertian, meaning recently. So the reporter gave us the Nudiustertian news. Yeah, this is a very Nudiustertian event. It's happened very recently. It's something from the recent past. Okay, so Nudiustertian, about the day before yesterday. Let's see, this word is very rare. I would say it's obsolete as well. So I'm going to give it, I think, an 8.5 in formality. I think the only circumstance you could use it would be in an informal conversation, using it as a joke. So, yeah, Nudiustertian events mean that we are going to have to change the way we do things. Yeah, so breaking news talks about Nudiustertian events or things that happened recently. So how was your Nudiustertian party? Yeah, or I see you've been sleeping off your hangover for a couple of days. Yeah, you seem to have finally slept off your Nudiustertian drinking binge. And I think that's the only type of way you could use it, as a joke with a friend. I think most people are not going to understand this word. I think this word's maybe a good word for those of you who like to collect unusual vocabulary. As to origin, it comes from Latin nudus tertius, yeah, which comes from the phrase nunc dies tertius est, now is the third day. And this was coined by a man called Nathaniel Ward, who was born in Britain. He was a Puritan. He was born in the late 16th century. And then he went to the United States, probably about 1630 or something like that. I think, well, the Puritans at that time were going to America, escaping persecution. So, and, well, he coined this phrase in a pamphlet that he wrote in the United States. But Nudiustertian, something related to the day before yesterday. So, did you watch yesterday's videos and the Nudiustertian ones as well? Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nudiustertian.